Yeah, I think, for me, the most exciting CAR-T abstract that was presented at the meeting was the Novartis T-Charge PHE885 trial, And so the data that were presented were really looking at, data about the manufacturing, T cell composition, memory T cells, and, I think, to me, this represents kind of the natural evolution. We already know that BCMA CAR-T cells work. We have cilta-cel, with heavily pretreated patients, the median PFS, that's 3 years. But, the manufacturing time remains a challenge. So this addresses that. And so I think that's definitely a step in the right direction, improving manufacturing time. We already saw results from ASCO that were quite impressive with this construct. So I'm really excited about this. I think, it will be, we'll have to see whether the durability of these responses are quite as good as what we've seen with cilta-cel. But, I'm glad that pharmaceutical and biotech are interested in furthering, continuing to refine BCMA CAR-T cells by looking at manufacturing.